How to buy BTC on Trust Wallet, buy coins on Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can buy BTC on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to buy BTC on Trust Wallet, it's quite a simple thing to do. So open up the Trust Wallet app and just make sure to first of all sign into your account. Once you do that, right over here you'll find the buy option, so you want to simply tap on the buy option here. Over here you can simply select BTC, which will be at the top most probably. Now you can enter the US dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy here. Now you can choose a payment method. By default, credit card will be selected, but you can tap on the drop down menu and select Google Pay or bank transfer. And you can also choose a provider. You can choose anything that you want, then tap on the buy option, fill in the payment details. After you verify the purchase, your Bitcoin will be successfully deposited to your Trust Wallet account. So I hope that this video helps you. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.